Hey guys, I'm Haley. This is my teacher Maymay. She challenged us to make an educational animated video about a topic we have examined in Edit 2000. I have made a semi-informative and semi-entertaining video talking specifically about the concept of BYOD and using these devices to access online text. I will weigh the pros and cons and suggest how to best implement technology in the classroom.
I can't believe what a big distraction these iPhones have been in my classroom. I know. Even my best students seem to be preoccupied with texting during my lectures. Okay, class. Today we will be continuing on the math worksheet and reading assignment from yesterday. Does anyone have any questions? Sarah, no more using the phone. We talked about this yesterday. If I see it again, I am taking points off your math assignment.
But Austin is using his phone too.
I'm so happy they let us have lunch outside today.
I know. But I can't believe none of the kids wanted to eat out here.
I blame those new cell phones all of them have. All they want to do is play on them. They don't enjoy being outside anymore.
I know. Today, my best student, Sarah, was not even paying attention during class. Good morning, class. Today is a new day, and I'm excited for you to be productive. Please open your textbook to page 34. Sarah, I told you to texting.
No, Miss Thompson. I'm looking at the online textbook. I forgot my classes, but I was able to make the font bigger on the online book.
Oh. Carry on then.
Good morning. A lot of you have expressed concern about online textbook usage in the classroom. Today we will be discussing the pros and cons of BYOD, specifically focusing on online textbooks. Bring your own device has many pros. First, it saves our school money. It also allows students to interact with the text by easily searching keywords or highlighting. Lastly, students with disabilities do not have to carry around heavy books. There are also some cons. Some students cannot afford their own iPhones and laptops. This puts them at a disadvantage. It is also hard to ensure students are actually reading and not playing games. Students may also be more distracted as they read.
Wow. Thank you, Principal Medina. I didn't know there were so many great ways for my students to use those iPhones they have.
Yes. It is just important to be upfront and clear about the rules of using technology in the classroom, so students do not abuse their responsibility or misbehave.
Hello, class. I know there has been some confusion about cell phone usage in the classroom, so here are some rules. 1. Phones should only be out once I have given permission. 2. Phones will only be used for textbook reading assignments as of now.
What happens if the rules are broken?
Thanks for asking, Sarah. If you are caught doing something else, your phone will be taken. You will get it back after class. Wow. Thank you for staying on task. You guys are superstars. I really love these new iPhones now that our students have figured out how to use them properly.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about BYOD and online text usage.